This nicely equipped Toyota Camry SE features a sport-tuned suspension with front and rear stabilizer bars, tinted glass, and 17-inch silver alloy wheels. Around back you'll find a rear deck spoiler, a twin-tipped exhaust, SE badging, and LED taillights. The large trunk offers plenty of luggage capacity for extended road trips. This sporty sedan looks amazing in super white with LED headlights, a contrasting black grille, and color-matched mirrors and door handles. Inside the well-designed cabin you'll find leather and cloth upholstery, heated sport seats, automatic air conditioning, power windows and locks, dynamic radar cruise control, paddle shifters, a leather-wrapped wheel with tilt steering, and an Apple and Android compatible AM/FM display audio system with Bluetooth and a backup camera. There's room for 3 in the back, and a longer wheelbase increases legroom for your passengers, or you can fold the seat backs down to carry larger items. Power comes from a 2.5-liter direct-injected 16-valve 4-cylinder engine mated to an automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. The Camry SE is sure to impress. Call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're located at 1200 Leithhead Road in Kelowna.